Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. The light is kind of in and out, but today we are going to program or add a remote for this Chevy, Suburban, Cadillac. They're all the same. So let's go ahead and go with the. Do you want to do it with IMO? Yes, with the IMO. Remote. Accept, open this. So now I gotta go by VIN number. And then Chevrolet or GM could be the same. Give me the I have two remotes. One is fold down. One is here and one fold down. So انت جبت لي 3 pieces, right? Yeah, one is here. I have someone who calling me, but I try to finish this video. Okay, I say okay. Say yes. US bullet key. Okay, what you need to remotely learn here. We're gonna come here. It have a different way you can read, but I don't want to go there. Let me see again. This is want to show you manually. I gotta go to control unit, remote CAN. Information, maybe the same thing. Part number, remote learn or add remote. Ignition is on, not engine not running. Okay, I'm gonna try this one first. Maybe you're gonna push these two together for longer than 13 seconds. So I'm gonna see what happened. Go again. Now push this one too for till you hear a beep. Good. This one is done. Maybe I'm gonna put another one too. Good. So both of them, I believe, supposed to learn. Thank you. Now I'm gonna wait. All remote control must be learned within 60 seconds. In turn, press lock and unlock button each remote control until you hear a beep, or press lock and unlock button for 5 seconds. You see this one is done. Then here, both of them they're working. One is for Cadillac and one is for aftermarket, and they all look good. I love to have this one here because it's strong and it look like very reliable. Okay. Procedure complete. So now I close the door. Close this one. I take the key out. Push the door lock. Unlock. Okay, what about this? They're all the same. Push here. Silence with this one. Good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.